Thank you for taking the time to watch. My name's Doug. This is Doug's Open Classics. So today I'm at the Warren Car Show. Absolutely brilliant. There's so many cars here today. I've been drawn to this absolutely incredible Mazda MX-5 owned by Reece. Reece has very, very kindly agreed to give us a rundown on what he's done to the car to get it to the amazing stage it is at now. So Reece, I don't know if you could just give us a rundown on what you've done to the car to get it looking as good as it is and as good as it goes, no doubt.
Yeah, so it's a 1990 Mark 1 MX-5 NA. Started life as a completely standard car. Had nothing done to it at all. It was purple at one stage. It was originally red, and then I wrapped it purple. It spent about a year or so purple as a bog standard car. Then I noticed some rust and stuff started developing on the arches, seals, all the common MX-5 rust. Yeah. So from there on I took it off the road, and then for the last 2.5 years I've literally completely stripped the underneath. I've welded all new panels into it, completely undersealed the whole car. It's got brand new arms, bushes, ball joints, everything brand new underneath. And then I've always said that from day dot I wanted a wide body MX-5.
Yeah, it looks amazing.
So I decided I got the kit from Carbon Miata, imported from Japan. I had the front bumper, rear bumper and side skirts made over from a company over this side. I've done all the body kit, done all the welding, fitted all that up, had the full car repainted. And then after doing that, I decided it looked good, but it didn't have the speed. It didn't have the speed and power.
That's going to be coming.
So so I decided to strip the engine. At the moment we're bog standard inside, a couple of upgraded bits and bobs on the outside, but we've gone for turbo and everything else. So at the moment she's running 180 brake horsepower. Wow. But we had a few issues when it was at the tuners, so we've idled them out. We're running it for a little bit at that power, just making sure everything's all right, there's no more issues and stuff, and then we're going to take her back to hopefully push her over the 200 mark. Wow. So yeah.
No, that's amazing. And your dad was telling me earlier you basically did it yourself.
Yeah, done everything myself. Literally from scratch. Done all the welding myself. Done all the underneath work myself. Done all the body kit. Everything you see on the car from what it was is all done by myself. Not a thing on the car was done by a shop apart from the paint. But luckily my father-in-law was the one that painted it for me. So even better, even better. And of course now we've got the hard top which is going on it as well. That's all being painted in the same colour as we speak, ready to go on. So she's getting
that'll give it another completely different look.
Yeah, definitely.
Incredible. Right, brilliant. Well, thank you so much for that, Reece. I really appreciate you for that.
Thank you very much.
No, that's brilliant. I'm going to do a walk around video with a car now. In fairness, the video isn't probably going to do it justice. It is just such a brilliant, unique machine. So look, enjoy the video. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. I really appreciate you for that. And please share with anyone that you think might be vaguely interested. Keep safe and happy motoring. Thank you.